Hi students, video number 5. It's a continuation of the previous one, non-Mendelian inheritance part 2. Come back to this. So what are the things which we understood? Chromosome number 9, okay, Q arm 34.2, that is a allele site. So anga irukra allele, it is going to produce ABO system transferase இப்படிங்கிற ஒரு enzyme. Okay, அதோட activity வந்து glycosyl transferase. So அது என்ன பண்ணுது பேசிக்கா, which is going to add the sugar. Okay, add the sugar to the H antigen, or it is going to add the sugar to the RBC, or it is going to produce antigen. Simply நீங்க எப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம்னா, this enzyme help in the synthesis of sugar polymers. ஓகேங்களா? Okay, sugar polymers. And look at here, allele I does not produce any sugar, that's all. Okay, and this 3 allele model was given by Bernstein by 1924. We do have different blood groups here, right? So if in the blood group A, group B, group AB and group O. Okay, red blood cell la enna first enna antigen present ஆயிருக்குன்னு பார்த்தலாம். So blood group A la பாருங்க, it has A antigen present. Blood group B la B, AB la ரெண்டு antigen மே இருக்கு, and O la it doesn't have any of the antigen. Next, antibodies in the plasma. So antibodies எதுல இருக்கும்? blood ஓட plasma ல இருக்கும். Okay, now group A இருக்கிற personக்கு, okay, blood group A இருக்கிற personக்கு anti-B antibodies will be present. Anti-B antibodies. So in the ஒரு blood group the ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா, you can just make it vice versa for the others. Alright, so and B blood group இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு anti-A antibodies present ஆயிருக்கும், and அதோட RBC ல B antigen. AB blood group இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு it doesn't have any of the antibodies. Very important. இதுக்கு ரெண்டு antibodies மே இல்லை. So what is the major advantage இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, ரெண்டு antigen மே இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? ஸோ நான் இப்போ A blood group இருக்கிற பர்சன் வந்து இவங்களுக்கு blood transfusion பண்ணும்போது பண்ணலாம். ஏன்னா it doesn't have any of the antibodies. So antibodies இருந்தால் தான் this antibody will react with the antigen. But here it doesn't have anything, இல்லையா? So no agglutination reaction. The very important concept which you should understand here is the agglutination. What is agglutination? It is nothing but the reaction between antigen and antibody. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ இப்போ நம்மளோட antigen, this is the spherical antigen. If this is the antigen and we are going to have the antibodies, Y-shaped, is usually Y-shaped. Okay, so when they both mix together, it gives a precipitate ஆகும், or I will show the picture for you. Okay, look at it. So இங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, this is the blood sample. So இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா there is an agglutination reaction. ஓகேங்களா? So that is how it agglutinate. Okay, இப்போ O blood group எடுத்துக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா இதில் ரெண்டு ஆன்டிஜன்மே இல்லை, but it have both the antibodies. Okay, so what is the purpose அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, this one can donate blood to any of these, A க்கு, B க்கு, AB க்கு, எதுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே donate பண்ணலாம், but it cannot accept blood from any of these except O blood group. Okay, ஏன் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, look at it, இதில் A antigen இருக்கு. இப்போ A blood group இருக்கிற person வந்து blood கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா, இந்த antigen வந்து react with anti-A antibody which is present in the blood group O. ஓகேங்களா? So B blood group இருக்கிறவங்க if they are going to donate, once again it is going to have anti-B antibodies. So இந்த antigen வந்து இந்த antibodies ஓட react ஆகும். Once again agglutination. So blood வந்து completely agglutinate ஆயிடும், precipitate agglutinate ஆயிடும். So it is going to affect the blood circulation. Got it? So that is the reason they are universal donors, but they cannot accept blood from any of the blood group except O. Got it? Okay. So these are the basics which you should know about the blood grouping. Parent 1 and parent 2. Okay. So parent 1 la and parent 2 la enna allele irukku, what is the genotype of the offspring, what is the phenotype. Genotype ங்கிறது வந்து what is the genetic representation, and phenotype ங்கிறது வந்து what type of blood group they can have. Okay. So ஒரு சின்ன Punnett square வச்சு we will just make this out. Okay. Look at here. Father ஓட allele வந்து IA and I. IA அப்படினா which codes for A antigen. I na, small I na, it does not code for any of the antigen. Mother பாத்தீங்கன்னா IB which codes for B antigen, and I lowercase I வந்து which codes for no antigen. So இவங்க கொடுத்திருக்க combination என்ன, IA and I. So ஒரு chromosome, father ஓட ஒரு chromosomeல I have an allele IA, and second chromosomeல it is a recessive one. Motherக்கு வந்து ஒரு chromosomeல IB and இன்னொரு chromosomeல I have a recessive one. Got it? So father உடைய allele நான் இங்க represent பண்றேன் IA and lowercase I, and mother உடையது இங்க represent பண்றேன். So it's going to be IB and lowercase I. Okay. So offspring 1 என்னென்ன இருக்கும், IA and IB. So இங்க IB and lowercase I. This one IA. Okay, இங்க இருக்க IA and இங்க இருக்க lowercase I, and here lowercase I and lowercase I. So இவங்களுக்கு என்ன blood group இருக்கும், AB. இங்க வந்து B, இங்க வந்து A, இங்க வந்து O. So these are all the different possibility for the offspring who can get the blood type. Look at it. So the same thing here. So the offspring can have either A blood group. So inge paathom illaya, it can have A blood group, or it can have AB blood group, or it can have B blood group and O blood group. Okay ngla? Yes. So this is codominance concept. Codominance, both the alleles are expressed. Okay, dominantly expressed. Next is multiple allelism. So the same blood grouping can fall under multiple allelism also. Why so? We have 3 different types of allele, isn't it? So we have IA, IB and I. So we have 3 different types of allele which is regulating the one single character which governs the same character. So that's the reason this blood grouping can also fall under multiple allelism. So the next concept is polygenic inheritance. The polygenic inheritance, which means that poly na many, genic na gene, so which means several genes which is going to control, okay, the single character. Several gene which is going to control the single character, and there is a best example which we have is human skin color and human height. Okay, so in the polygenic inheritance la எத்தனை dominant allele, okay, number of dominant allele அதிகமாக இருக்கும்போது dominant ஓட character அதிகமாக express ஆகும். Number of recessive allele இருக்கும்போது, when more number of recessive allele, recessive allele or recessive gene கான characters வந்து express ஆகும். Simply we can see here. Look at it. We have 3 genes, okay. Polygenic na 3 gene. So we have A, B and C. In the 3 gene combinations irundada it is going to control a single character, another skin color. And if all the 3 are capital A, B and C, the skin color will be dark. Got it? And if all the 3 are lowercase, small a, small b, small c அப்படி இருந்ததுன்னா it is recessive and skin color வந்து லைட்டா இருக்கும். Got it? எல்லாமே கேபிட்டலா டாமினண்டா இருந்தா skin color dark, and all the small all the letters are in, all the 3 genes are in lower case or recessive, the skin color will be in lighter tone. Okay, now assume the first girl, she is going to have a darkest skin color because இவங்களோட allele எல்லாமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா dominant, AA, BB and CC all uppercase. Second person பாத்தீங்கன்னா the person is going to have all the 3 allele recessive, smaller AA, small BB and small CC, so lightest skin color. Got it? And the third person, the third girl, which when she receives 3 dominant and 3 recessive allele, say for example she may have in such a way like capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C and small c. So இப்படி இருக்கும்போது both the dark and light shade, so இங்க இருக்கிற capital A வந்து darkness and lower a வந்து light skin tone. So likewise dark and this is light, dark and light. So when the combination, when the proportion is divided into light and dark, it is giving an intermediate shade. As a result, they are going to have a intermediate skin color. Got it? So according to number of for example, if they are going to have more number of dominant allele, they are going to be more darker. They are going to have more number of recessive gene, so 3 gene la 2 gene me recessive irundadna they are going to have lighter skin tone. That's all. So the next concept is pleiotropy. So inge pleiotropy, what does it mean is, see here idu varaikum paathadilla like genes which control single character, ana inge pleiotropy is a single gene which exhibit multiple phenotypic expression. Multiple phenotype na physical paakakudaiya changes, you have many. Okay, so simple example eduthukitona phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia and starch synthesis in pea plant idella. So inga enna nadakudhu appdin pathina, if a person is going to be affected, okay, with a mutant gene mutation ஆயிடுச்சு. So இங்க ஒரு single gene இருக்கு, single gene mutation ஆயிடுச்சு. You will be I will be explaining you about these mutations in the mutation part. ஓகேங்களா? So phenylketonuria it causes mental retardation, brain affect பண்ணுது, reduction in hair, so hair reduction and skin pigmentation. See, these 3 are 3 different characters. 3 characters are affected here. Okay, let's see an example. So starch synthesis is effectively by BBG. Okay, so which inga enna ipo pea plant irukku illaya, pea plant la capital B, capital B. So if the plant is going to have both capital B allele, okay, so it is going to produce large amount of starch oda production வந்து அதிகமா இருக்கும், as well as இந்த seed oda size வந்து பெருசா இருக்கும். So இங்க ரெண்டு character, okay, ஒன்னு வந்து starch production, second வந்து the starch the seed oda grain size வந்து, okay, seed starch grain, larger starch grains are produced, as well as the starch amount is also produced higher. Okay, grain size um perusu, starch um adhigam. Likewise, if it is going to have smaller b, adoda allele small b irundaduna, starch வந்து lessa synthesis ஆகுது, and the seed size உமே வந்து சின்னதா, இங்க பாருங்க smaller, small sized. Got it? If it is going to have capital B and small b, intermediate இருந்ததுன்னா intermediate size இருக்கு, as well as it is also shows incomplete dominance. What is the incomplete dominance? அதால complete இதை express பண்ண முடியல. Okay, so partially it is expressing. Okay, this may lead to intermediate starch production, and size of the seed is also intermediate and the madri. Okay, so these are the different types of non-Mendelian inheritance we have seen. Okay, so thank you so much. I think this will be helpful for you.